Hey, my name is Gala. I'm Looker Studio expert and the founder of Gallery Reports. I would like to observe one of my templates today. This template, it's plan and fact spending. This is light version, super simple, and I have the main version of this dashboard. Page traffic. Yeah, this one. You can find it on my website. I recommend this dashboard for those who run several ads platforms at the same time and want to be aware of spending trajectory till the end of the month, for example. So this is dashboard that what you will receive after you buy the template. It's one page Looker Studio dashboard. Here we have a filter to filter years and month, to see data by month. This is our total budget for platforms. For my template, I selected Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Microsoft, but it could be other platforms, and it's quite easy to update for Google, Microsoft. Oh, Microsoft, it's already here, but anyway. So I selected these platforms, but it's easy, could be changed to another one. So we have total budget for month, budget for each platform separately, and we have total spend percentage. So if we continue to spend the same money as we do right now, till the end of the month, we will spend more than 2 times than we planned. And here percentage for each platform. This forecast for the end of the month. Then we have charts, nice guide charts to see the same percentage, but it's not the same percentage. It's percentage. So this for the end of the month. This is for today. So, for example, Facebook. In total, we already spent 20% of our plan, and if we continue to spend like that, we will spend 246% in total from our budget. So this is a current spending. This is a forecast till the end of the month. Then we have our trajectory, where we can see this. Our gray line is our limit, pink line, it is our planning spending day by day, and this is our actual spending, and this line is trajectory. So so we have this chart for total spending and separate chart for each platforms. And I know, like, for example, if you run only Facebook ads, it's easy, you can use only Facebook ads platform to absorb the data. But when you have several platforms, I think this dashboard is really useful, because you combine data from different platforms in one place, and you can always be aware what is going on with your ads budget. Then we have a paid traffic channel, a ROAS overview. Here I can select 23 to see data for last year, and we can see our paid traffic revenue and ROAS month by month, and also we can see our spend month by month. We have this observation, and we have breakdown by month of these metrics. Also we have details, so same data, but split it by different platforms. So in one table we can see our spent revenue and ROAS for all platforms for the last year, or for whatever date period you will select. And we have chart with that, where we can see in a timeline our dynamic. Here in optional metrics, by default we have ROAS, but we can change ROAS to other metrics, to revenue or spend, and we can go from month by month overview for date, or even years. If we select all 3 years, we can absorb data year by year. So that is it. This dashboard is simple to understand, simple to use, but it is not so simple to build, actually. That is why I offer it as a template, because you can just populate your data and start to use it quite fast. Let's see what do we have on the back end. if we go to resources, manage edit data sources, you can see that I have only one Google Sheets table connected to the dashboard. And I want to open this table just to give you an overview what you will receive if you buy the template. So after you purchase, you will receive two documents. You will receive Google Sheets and Looker Studio dashboard. Discard charting. In Google Sheets, you will have help tab with instructions how to use this document. But basically, you have a budget tab, zero tab, where you add your real budget. You have like percentage for each platforms from your budget. And you have, as we pull data from Google Analytics, we can add some like triggers, like which source medium related to which platform. What else? Here we change nothing. We just add budget. We add percentage of budget, and we can change source medium and platforms names. Okay. On the next tab, query GA. This data for now I added here manually. You can add this data manually as well, so you can download report from your Google Analytics in same format: date, source medium, transactions, revenue, and based on rule on the budget tab, I use formulas to transform source medium to add platforms. So just change yellow cells to your Google Analytics data to get revenue from Google Analytics. You can use paid connectors or even free Google Sheets add-ons. For example, this is free add-on G4 Magic Reports that I use to pull data from Google Analytics 4. Also, I work with these three guys: Power Analytics, Supermetrics, and WinStore. I use these platforms to pull data automatically from different platforms to Google Sheets and automate my reports. And next tab that we have here, it is Query Ads. Again, same logic as Google Analytics tab. I add here data, date, ad spend, conversions, value, so number of conversions and revenue for different platforms. What can you do? You can, if you need this data like once per week, for example, you can add the data manually. And just download reports from Facebook or Google platforms that you use and add here data manually. Or again, you can use these tools like paid add-ons for Google Sheets to pull data automatically to Google Sheets. I have separate videos about connectors. I will not explain now about that because it will take some time. But yeah, you don't need to be a developer to use it, and it's quite simple to understand how to work with these connectors and automate reports. And the next tabs, you do nothing, and just formula steps that we connect to Looker Studio. Basically, so if you buy template, after that, during 24 hours, you receive two documents: Google Sheets and Looker Studio. In Google Sheets, you go to budget tab, change yellow cells to your real data, and query ads, you change yellow cells to your real data. And that is it. And you already can start to use this dashboard and see your trajectory, your revenue, rows, and spend month by month. I think that is it about this template. Hope you like it. I think it's really nice for agencies or for individuals who works with different platforms, even for a company who has different ad platforms. So yes, hope you like it. Let me know if you have questions about this template or about Looker Studio in general. I will try to answer. Yeah, Hope you like this video. Give me like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and talk to you soon.